everybody, what's up? It's Kiki and welcome back for another video. Today I'm coming at you guys with this bomb wig that I slayed straight out of the box. So if you guys want to see me install this wig and get all the details on it, keep watching. So I was snowbird a wig from Hairvivi and this is how the wig came packaged. I'm not sure exactly what wig I got, but I will have everything linked in the description box. As you can see, this wig is already pre-bleached. It does have a lot of party space in the middle, but not as much on the sides. No need to tweeze, no need to pluck. I didn't do any of that. And it has that clear lace that matches so well with your skin. I am going to use some of my foaming tint just to tint the lace just a little bit. And I don't think I should have done that with this wig cap I have on because it did darken it just a tad, but it still slayed. So as you can see, the lace and the hairline on this wig is phenomenal. I'm just going to go ahead and install it as well as style it, and you guys can watch. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and check out Hairvivi hair. I will have all the links in the description box.
First day of summer, all chromed out in a Hummer bed. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls wanna ride. Play all day, puff on the line. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. What's up? I'm digging you, needing you. And you know what's up, I know what's up. Digging you, and I want you. Tell me what's up, baby. Keep up eyes and I'm zoning. I don't know you in the morning. Looking fly with the undress on. Coming up, girl, you got me wide open. Waiting all day and I'm hoping. So baby, don't run. Sexy cheek, you know what I want. Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Say what, you know that I'm about it, baby. Girl, you know what's up.
Tryna get a little VI, keep it down on the low key, cause you know how it feels. Hey!
I saw the shorty, she was checking up on me. From the game, she was spitting in my ear. You would think that she know me. So I decided to chill. Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow. Watch out! She's saying, come get me. So I got up and followed her to the floor. She said, baby, let's go. When I told her, I said, Shorty got down and said, come and get me. I got so caught up, I forgot she told me. Her and my girl used to be the best of homies. Next thing I knew, she was all up on me screaming. So she's all up in my head now. Got me thinking that it might be a good idea to take her with me. Cause she's ready to leave. Well, let's go. And I gotta keep it real now. Cause on the 1 to 10, she's a certified 20. But that just ain't
Much late.
I laid my wig today. That thing is laid. I'm still gonna take it off, but it is laid. Ooh, come through. Scalp. Every time I come home, I start playing in my hair before I take it off.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now.